on the western side of Trail Ridge Road. Well, it is a first alert weather day as more storms roll through tonight. Here's Chief Meteorologist Dave Aguilera. Dave.
Oh, yeah, what a weekend it was with all that rain around here. So far, we've been lucky. There are some severe storms up in Weld County and Morgan County we got to talk about. But for the Denver metro area, just a nice rain on the west side of town going on. It's 83 at the Mousetrap right now. And then we take a look at this storm system. It was kind of large when it blew up around Boulder. We had some small hail between Boulder and Nederland. And then as it trucked across Jefferson County, kind of lost some of its punch, creating some wind. But right now we just have kind of a light rain going on in Littleton. So we've been lucky. You know, folks that have not been lucky up in Morgan County and now the northern part of Adams County as well. The bottom edge of this huge line that goes all the way up into Nebraska is dropping some significant hail right now just south of I-76, north of the Leader area. Until 7 o'clock, we have this severe thunderstorm warning on this guy for up to 1 1/4 inch size hail, so just a little over 1/4 inch size, and 50-mile-per-hour wind. So that'll be blowing right over that northeast corner of Adams County up there, just north of Leader. So we've got our eye on that one. Across the state, though, we've got more rain down south. Canyon City had a good hailstorm go through that area, and we've got showers and thunderstorms just pushing through southern Colorado as we come to you now. Interesting scenario setting up. If you look at the thunderstorms, this batch of storms going this way out due east, and then this batch of storms coming down south. We've got two things kind of working on our weather here. A cold front is dropping out of Wyoming up here. At the same time, a low in Texas, which once, if you remember last week, if you were watching, this was that Baja low that created that monsoon flow that we saw this weekend. Now that's pushing moisture back into southern Colorado in this direction. So as those two meet up, we're probably going to continue to see thunderstorms ignite across the eastern plains and the southern part of Colorado during the evening tonight. Tomorrow, as those things move away, we dry out, mostly clear across the northern part of the state. And then by afternoon, we could see a few sprinkles of rain. Jefferson County, Douglas County, and Elbert County, mainly the south metro area, has a small chance of a shower or thunderstorm. Up north, Denver up to Fort Collins, Boulder, northeast, not much. And some of the storms that develop down south, Colorado Springs into southern Colorado, could be severe tomorrow afternoon. And in fact, that area has a marginal chance for more hail, more wind, and more heavy rain in that location tomorrow afternoon as well. Lows tonight, 30s and 40s in the mountains, will be 50s down low. And then tomorrow, 80s and 90s to the east. Really hot out on the western slope. Again, y'all are looking at 90-degree temperatures out there. 70s in the foothills in the mountains, like Evergreen at 77 tomorrow, 73 in Conifer. And if you go into some of the neighborhoods here, should be about 86 in Lakewood. And right at Green Mountain in that neighborhood should be about 85 with mostly sunny skies and just a slight chance of a late day storm. Then we turn up the heat, mid-90s Wednesday and Thursday. Friday, another cold front with better chances of storms. Over the weekend, maybe a sprinkle or a storm Saturday, but right now Father's Day looks to be very dry. And 91, Renaissance Festival and Father's Day is coming at you this weekend, and it looks pretty nice for that.
I was going to say, the tea time will be perfect for Dad on Father's Day.
Throw that in the mix.
Thanks, Dave.
You bet.
All right, time to get on over